Tonight I'm taking the time out to say thank you to Ship Quicker. They are one of the most reliable shipping company. I've been shipping packages from my USA address, and this is the best I've come across. My friend told me about it, and I said I'm gonna try it because every day these days people say scam. But today I want to say thank you to all you wonderful guys out there, especially Kevin. Oh my God, he is the best customer care representative. He is one of the best. You get updates on your package from it being picked up, from it shipped, from it go to custom, when it go to reaches your home. You have information step by step. So this is the best shipping company I've come across. Thank you, guys.